Hi, I'm Brenda Zink, and I'm the chair for the Health Science and Math Department, and I'm a biology professor. I teach general college biology classes and microbiology. I advise all the students who are interested in healthcare as far as they want to do pre-med, they want to be a physician assistant, they like pharmacy, nursing, those kinds of things. But I get lots of students who are interested in working in labs because of their microbiology background, who want to work with people as either a doctor or a PA. I'm really trying to encourage students to also look into occupational therapy, physical therapy. There are lots of ways that you can work with individuals without having to be the doctor. I think choosing Northeastern is an excellent choice for students because you get to build that strong foundation here. Everyone, regardless of where you go, really needs general college biology. You need your college algebra, you need your humanities, you need your social and behavioral sciences, you need Comp 1, Comp 2. But in our class, when you're in biology, I have 24 people max. I'm teaching the class, I'm teaching the lab. There's not hundreds and hundreds of students. You don't have some TA coming in and doing your lab. Our passion is teaching. We're not spending our hours of time on research. We really care about you and getting to know you. So when you are applying for that professional program and you need a letter of recommendation, we know you. Things that you don't always get to do as a freshman and a sophomore at a large university, here you get to do that. So that way when you transfer on, you can get in some cool research at those junior and senior levels because you can tell the professor, yeah, I know how to run gel electrophoresis. Yeah, I know how to set up solutions. I know how to pipette. I know how to autoclave. So I think here we really give you that opportunity to build the most solid foundation, and when you leave, you're ready to get to some of those more specialized classes for your specific field of study. I love teaching at Northeastern. My probably very favorite thing is helping students build that foundation and just see that they can do this and how what they're learning here does tie into things later. We really see things in you that sometimes you don't see in yourself. We push you to be your very best. And because we have small class sizes, we can tailor what's happening to you, give you examples that will help you. And we really just try to get to know our students and help them to be truly successful. Regardless of what it is that interests you, there's a club for you. We really do want you to be a well-rounded person, and with the size of our campus, it really is possible to do that.
I am Dr. Debra Stumpf. My background is in veterinary medicine and also in pathology. My title here at Northeastern Junior College is Associate Professor of Biology, and I teach the human anatomy courses. I teach farm animal anatomy courses because of my veterinary background, and I also teach pathophysiology because of my pathology background. And pathophysiology is a course that's specialized as a nursing course. So folks who take pathophysiology are either just about ready to enter their nursing program or in their first year of the nursing program. The programs of study that I am most familiar with are athletic training, which is also called sports medicine. That is a really popular program here because we have so many athletes, and with athletics being these students' passion, then it is just a natural progression for them to imagine that they want a career diagnosing and treating athletic injuries. And what we are absolutely fabulous at is giving people that really core, solid foundation. Everybody has to start with college level curriculum. We have folks start with cell biology and genetics and really get into molecular aspects like molecular genetics. And then upon that base, then we focus on human anatomy physiology, starting with cells in the human body and then those cells becoming tissues. So that becomes the sophomore level anatomy physiology that people have to take. By the time you get to 2 semesters of sophomore level anatomy physiology, you have accomplished an associate's degree in science. That is going to be the core for athletic training. It's going to be the core for pre-med. It's going to be the core for pre-dentistry. It's going to be the core for pre-pharmacy. It's also going to be the core for tech type careers. Everybody that is in that whole healthcare spectrum has got to do college level English, they've got to do arts and humanities, they have to do freshman level biology, they have to do the sophomore level anatomy physiology. My favorite part about teaching is that I get to spend all of my time in the subject matter that I love, and I can still continue to dive into that science every single day, and of course I love interacting with the students. NJC is a rural community college, which means that it is centered in a very small community. So what I would encourage folks who have an urban background to imagine in coming to a college like NJC is that you may get an experience in a subculture possibly of the United States that you're never going to get to experience again. You are going to get to do something here at NJC that you are never going to get to do in an urban environment. Take 2 years and do something that maybe you will never see again in your life.